There, this is Melanie, and I am so honored and grateful to share a message with you this evening. I always believe in my heart that it is super important to acknowledge the mentors that you've had in your life that have made a difference for you. You may not realize that you've had such an impact, but tonight I want to give a special acknowledgement to a wonderful woman named Dora Bergen, who gifted me this program, Bob Proctor's teachings, and I am a graduate of Thinking into Results. Without a doubt, this program has absolutely transformed my life, and it is because of Dora. So Dora, if you're listening to this, I do believe that you've gone back to real estate. I'm not sure if you're still coaching, but if anyone out there is looking for a life coach, I highly recommend that you hire Dora Bergen and reach out to her. And if she is practicing real estate, she's fantastic in that area as well. I am having a massive transformation. One of the things that Bob Proctor teaches in his studies is to always focus on creating a new version of yourself. Always look into the future and keep your mind on who you would like to become. And I can guarantee you that within a short period of time, if you follow this magic trick, a new creation of who you're meant to be will unfold. So thank you for listening. I'm Melanie, and have a beautiful evening.